traders, hope you're well. It's Wednesday 26th of May 2021. Just going to go through a few charts of interest today which we will be watching. One is silver. Got a beautiful uptrend here on the daily time frame, and we've had a daily close above this counter trend line. This also forms what's called a morning star pattern, which is a reversal pattern for upside. From a reversal pattern, meaning we've had this downtrend here on a smaller time frame into buyers, so sellers into buyers. You can just look at that. So here is the what we call the counter trend or correction pullback, and we've started to see buyers come in again. So potential for that to make some more moves to the upside today. Kiwi, we had Kiwi news in the early hours, and the market has taken to the news positively because there was talk of rate hikes. However, prices come into resistance, so it'll be very interesting to see how the market now reacts here at that big number 7,300. A number of times we've had false breaks. Here we actually closed above and broke through, and we had that bigger move to the upside. You know what's going to happen here, and the clues are really to look at the smaller time frames just to see if we start to see sellers come in and we get that change of cycle, or do we clearly break to the upside. Aussie's in a range as well, but that's got a little bit more room up into this just above this 78 area, 78 13 zone. You can see sellers, so a little bit more room. This could push up to the upside, so I'll be watching to see what happens if we get there. Dollar CAD, if you see my previous updates, I'm looking for a weekly correction on this. It's had such a big move. I'm looking for some correction on this to the upside. So I've got my eyes on this potential falling wedge pattern. Just take that out for a second. Falling wedge pattern, which I would like to see break to the upside, just to confirm that those buyers coming in. But yeah, what I did just have, and I'll put it back now, is potentially this little 1 hour range inside that I noticed price is doing. So it may literally come up into the trend line, up into the top of the range and reverse. So I'll also be looking for that as well. Aussie Kiwi, there was a chance of this making another move to the upside yesterday because it come into the bottom of the range. So we were here looking for it to bounce again, but with that Kiwi news, that Kiwi strength came in, it just broke, and we've had quite an aggressive move to the downside, and it has actually come into previous support. So again, you know, with Kiwi at that key level, are we going to see the Kiwi dollar weaken, or what's going to happen? So there could actually be a sell setup on Kiwi later. We'll have to wait and see. There might be a buy setup on Aussie Kiwi if we reject here. May even come and retest 1072 again, the bottom of this range. So looking at that as well. Euro pound, just notice this little uptrend within this range here. So potential for it to come and test the top here at 87,200. So I'll be watching the cycles on there. At the moment, if this is an impulse, we're in a corrective move at the moment. Nice bit of resistance here. Previous resistance coming back to retest it. Are we going to see buyers come in? So you can have a look at that one as well. So quite a few charts to look at, guys, and yeah, I'll have to see how the market plays out. So have a great day and catch you later. Bye.